Good morning. In this lecture we are going to discuss about software project management. So the software project management, the project manager is the main person who has to control over all the aspects, right? Before developing the project, there is a proper planning, there is proper management. All the proper planning and management activities will be taken care by the project manager. So while to develop any project, there are three minimum criteria, right? The first one is within that time you have to deliver the project, and you have to provide the project with the best quality, and you have to provide within the cost. The budget is also very important. So to develop any project, these 3 points are very important. Like the first one is time, quality and cost. So based on these criteria only we are going to develop the project. So to manage all these activities, the person is the project manager. He is the person who will take care. And there are some project activities. The software project management, he will take some activities also, right? First one is project planning. So in the project planning, he will decide at what time they have to complete the project, and what are the time taken to develop for each and every individual module. And like in the project planning, these steps can be carried out. And next one is scope management. In the scope management, they will think about what is the future scope. Once they developing the project, is there any benefits in the benefits in the future? Does they are going to face any risk? So like that they will analysis. That is called scope management. And coming to the project estimation, the project estimation is the process in which they measure different. So first of all, before estimating all the main criteria, the required first one is software size estimation. The software size estimation, it can be measured in KLOCs or LOCs. Based on the size, they are going to develop all the they are going to estimate all the other features, like what is the effort required to complete the project, and what is the time taken to complete the project, and what is the cost, what is the budget to complete the project. So to estimate all these factors, right, the first one is very important. That is what software size estimation. Based on the size, they are going to estimate all the other factors. And to develop all these activities, the software project manager will take some more important. He leads the team. The software project manager, he is the person who takes over or control over all the team, and he will do some responsibilities also. The software project management responsibilities are, he has to manage the people, and as well as he has to manage the project. So to manage the people, like he is the person who leads the team, he has to lead the team. He should communicate with the stakeholders to develop the project, and he has to maintain the resources, and he has to supply the resources to all the humans to complete the project, and he has to give the reports to his higher authorities. Like he has to manage all these activities. So all this comes under managing people, and at the same time he has to manage the project also, right? He has to control over all the activities of SDLC. He has to monitor each and every phase, and he has to control over the activities, and he should identify what is the risk for this project, what amount of risk involves to develop that project, and if there are any quarrels, or is there any problems between his subordinates, he has to deal in a smooth manner. And simply he is the person who acts as the project spokesperson. That is nothing but the main person. So all these are the activities taken care by the project manager, right? In this lecture we discussed what is the project management and what is the activities given by the software project manager. Okay, thank you. In the next class we are going to discuss about project estimation techniques. Thank you.